Good morning to all of you. We continue with the array, and today we will be removing the repeated elements. So in repeated elements we will use a simple technique of if the elements are repeated, we will make it as a 0, and then while we will store the element in an array when no 0 is there in the second array. So we are going to do the program based on it. First we will compare the elements, traversing will be done, and if the element is repeated, then the repeated, instead of repeated element, we will put a 0 there, and while printing we will print all those elements which are not equals to 0. Then also we can show this printing, or you can store all those elements which are not 0 into the second array, and then display the second array that will contain no duplicates, none of the repeated elements. So these two ways are possible. We will be doing this program, and let's do it now. And remove the repeated elements. Is it what I mean here? That you have an array now 2, 3, 2, 1, then your array should be like this: 2, 3, 1. Alright, this is your output, this is your input. So 2 and 2 repeated, so remove this. Import java.util.string class abc word main. New scanner, system.in. So int I, we require a j, we require a n, enter the elements afi equals to s dot. Next int method for loop first we need to get a size. Enter the size n equals to sc dot. Next int method, then get an array, int array equals to new int n, and then element entry. fi c dot Next anti method, you close it. Then the logic I equals to 0, I less than plus plus, and then for j equals to I plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus. If a of I equals to a of j, is it? Then I will make that a of j, if repeated, as a 0. Alright. And then I will close the inner core, then outer core. I have to print it now. So we are going to print it for I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. If a of I not equals to 0, then SOP or P or PA plus OP, A of I. Main close, class close. This is what has been done. If you want to store it into another array and then display it, then the program will be like this. Scanner, new scanner, system dot in. And then you require anti-I, j is required, n is required. I require a counter also, and let the counter be 0. For storing into the second array, we require a counter. So this is a counter there. Enter the size, n equals to sc dot. Next anti method, create array. Same size. May be possible that the array is containing non-repeated element. We don't know how many repeated or maybe not repeated. That's what. So for the elements, sc dot. Next time to method, for I less than n, I plus plus, for j equals to 0. Sorry, j equals to I plus 1. That is I plus 1. J less than n, j plus plus. Alright. If a of I equals to a of j, then a of j equals to 0. So I had set a counter there, then run loop for I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. If a of I not equals to 0, then b of c equals to a of I and c1 c plus plus. You have stored. Now this is how you have stored into a secondary. Storing into secondary. Non-repeated elements. Now print it out. This is what we have done. For I equals to 0, I less than C, not I, while printing I plus plus. So print B of I enclose class. Thank you.